Hello guys, what's up? Today for my first video we're gonna see how to customize your font and upload it on Shopify. So this is the basic method, because I know when I was literally a noob in development, I didn't know a method to change the normal font on my website, on my ecom shop, and I was searching a method to change my font, etc., for design purpose, and I found one, but this is not the easiest method, but it is working. So you're gonna see. First of all, you need a custom font, so you can go to font.com or wherever your police is. After that, you already have your custom font file, so now you have to convert it, and to convert it you can use fontconvert.net. I will put a link in the description, so don't worry about that. So I will do the same pass as you. So up. After you upload your custom, you will found this. So you deselect the others because you don't need that. You only need those two. We don't need the template also. So up, you convert it, your font. After that, you download it, and now your fonts are converted. So you can put it here. Okay. Now you go to Shopify menu, the home page, and you go to edit the code. Up. Try to find the CSS file of your theme, so you can find right in the input here. You will see generally your CSS file are localized in the asset folder, if you don't know that. And we need to put a custom CSS code right there. Now you are localized the CSS file of your theme. You need to add a new asset. So we're gonna put here the both custom file, both police custom file. Sorry. So for the first one, the WOFF here. That's it. Up. Normally you have one right there, here, the WOFF format, and the second up right there. That's it. So now you uploaded your assets. We need to add our custom code right there at the end of your file, of your theme CSS liquid file. Up. So I already put this will be in the description, so don't worry. Also the font face is where you gonna write the custom font name. So you will see, you just have to copy what I do, so don't worry. Here you're gonna write the name of your font. So for me it's Gotham Bold, like here. Gotham Bold, right there. And here you're gonna write also the same name, except it's for the WOFF2 file. So I hope you understand me. This is my first video, so Okay, Gotham bold 2. Up, copy, paste, easy. Now the file is ready. Your policies located here, yeah. So now you have to choose the selector you want to custom. So you go to your theme, and whatever you want to modify, you can custom it. So for example, you can select this one, the H2 title, located in feature row. So at the start, you probably have a window like this, your shop, your e-commerce shop is like this. You open the console, the development console of Google, and now you will see this. So you click here, it's for the mouse selection, and after that you click on the element you want to custom. It's H2 H3. Okay, to class H3. So it will probably be the H3 class. So this is an ID, like an ID. You have to select the class or the ID of your how can I say that? The object you want to custom. So for me it's the H3 title. So I will select this H3, and at the end of my file I will put it and write a dot, sorry, and like this, and you will put this inside. Font family, CSS parameters, font family with the name of your font. Gotham bold. After that, don't forget to save it right there. And as you can see now, you can see it here in font, it's right Gotham bold, and you see also we managed to do it. So don't forget to like, guys. That's all for me for today, and don't forget to subscribe or like, or whatever you want. You can dislike if you want also. So goodbye, guys.